These are the instructions for your home test. This is how your kit will arrive. Inside the kit, you will see the data box, 2 respiratory belts, black leg electrodes, red EKG electrodes, 1 wireless pulse oximeter with a finger probe, 1 pressure connector, 7 feet tubing, and electrode patches. First, we will take the data box You will now grab your black electrodes, attach them into port number 2. Push firmly to secure. Do not remove rubber bands at this time. You will now take your red electrodes and attach them into port 1. Push firmly to secure. Bottom port is to remain empty. Place data box on center of chest. Secure data box by attaching clips to pajamas. You will now grab one of your respiratory belts. Attach one end onto the data box by snapping on to button. Place around the chest area and attach the other end to your data box. Adjust belt for proper fitting. You will now grab your second belt, snap one end onto your data box extension. Place around abdomen. And attach the other end onto your data box extension. Adjust for proper fitting. Now remove rubber bands from black electrodes. Separate the electrodes. Run one through your pajamas. One for each leg. Okay, take the white electrode patches and first on one leg attach your electrode. Flex your foot looking for the muscle and attach to leg. You will repeat this procedure for the other leg as well. Okay, remove rubber band from red electrodes. Separate the electrodes. Attach them to your white electrode patches. Apply one patch 2 inches below left clavicle. Apply the second patch 2 inches below the right clavicle. Okay, now you will grab your CPAP connector and attach it to your CPAP machine. You will notice that one end is wider. That end will go attached to your CPAP machine. Now you can grab your CPAP hose and attach it to your CPAP connector. Okay. Take the 7-foot tubing from your bag . Attach the open end onto your CPAP connector port. Insert the other end of your tubing into the pressure port on your data box. Now grab your wireless pulse oximeter and attach the finger probe to the wireless pulse oximeter. Place the wireless pulse oximeter around your wrist. Insert finger into finger probe. Okay, now you can put your mask on. Attach it to your hose. Turn on your CPAP machine. And you are now ready for bed. The monitor will automatically turn on accordingly to set time. And in the morning, the unit will turn off automatically according to set times. Good night.